Are you looking to start your day off right? As a diabetic, here are 5 top morning habits you should follow to manage your condition effectively. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. Eating a balanced meal in the morning can help stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized. Check your blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels in the morning is crucial for managing your diabetes. This will help you make informed decisions about your diet, medication, and activity levels throughout the day. Stay active. Incorporating some form of exercise into your morning routine can help improve your insulin sensitivity and overall health. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga session, or a quick workout, staying active in the morning can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water in the morning is essential for managing diabetes. Hydration can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and boost overall well-being. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water throughout the day. Plan your meals and snacks. Planning your meals and snacks in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid blood sugar spikes. Take the time in the morning to pack nutritious snacks and meals that are balanced and portion-controlled. By following these top morning habits, you can take control of your diabetes and set yourself up for a successful day ahead. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to managing your condition, so make these habits a part of your daily routine.